Do machine changeovers in your factory take too long? Imagine if you could cut setup time by 50–90%. Welcome to SMED, Single Minute Exchange of Die, a powerful lean tool that helps you do just that. What is SMED? SMED is a lean manufacturing method designed to reduce the time it takes to change from producing one product to another. The goal? Perform changeovers in less than 10 minutes, or a single-digit minute. Why is SMED important? SMED reduces downtime, increases machine availability, and enables smaller batch sizes. This means faster production shifts, less inventory, more flexibility, lower costs. Key steps of SMED. SMED has 4 key steps you can follow to simplify any setup process. Step 1. Identify internal and external setup. Internal must be done while machine is off. External changes can be done while it's running. Step 2. Separate internal from external. Move as many tasks as possible to external setup. Step 3. Convert internal to external. Modify equipment. Prepare tools ahead. Preheat dies. Step 4. Streamline. All activities use clamps instead of bolts. Standardize steps. Train operators. Real-world example. Toyota famously used SMED to reduce a 3-hour die change to just 3 minutes. In garment factories, SMED helps reduce machine attachment changes between styles, boosting daily output. SMED helps you work smarter, not harder. Start small, train your team, and turn setup time into production time. Like, comment, and subscribe to IntelliLearn for more lean and IE insights.